So hi everyone, my name is Rehan Khan. I study in class 9 and I am from Airway Public School and I have made this navigation stick. So this navigation stick is a combination of various modules and ultrasonic sensors and GSM modules which uses SIM cards and all those APIs to make the blind person's life easier. It can detect an object and I'm still training a model which can tell its name, and this stick is not very heavy and it's very light and it's rechargeable portable, and if you click up one button it will forward your live location and it call will be forwarded to one number or a group of number. We have tested both the things and we have gotten both results. I have demonstrated my project in various events like BITS. I have given a demonstration in BITS Planning Goa campus, Zuarinagar Mechanical Department, and they have even felicitated me. This is a patented technology. This is a patented design. So now I am working on getting the patent of this working model. So if the stick falls, it will start to make beep sound. I have set it in such a way that if it comes again in the range of 10 degree, then it will not beep. And if it exceeds the degree of 45 degree, then it will start to beep, which will help the blind person if he loses a stick. And if no one picks up the stick for 30 seconds, a call will be forwarded to the same thing, a group of number or one single number, and a different message will be forwarded this time. My motivation were my teachers, my parents, and the school management team. The Anupama teacher, my science teacher Anupama teacher, helped me a lot in making this project. She would come with me in each and every science competition and would guide me. She would register me everywhere. Then our principal, Cheren Kurvela, he would help me to go everywhere and even assist me about where to do everything. And then I would like to thank my teacher, Tasnim teacher, because she was the one who gave me courage and wrote most of the script for me for demonstrating my projects and even told me how to be confident enough to tell the speech. Then I would like to thank my parents because they didn't even hesitate to buy my most expensive modules, and they were confident enough that I would make this project and bring it into reality. And lastly, I would like to thank Sir Bhanudas because while for attaining this patent, we didn't know from where to attain or how to attain the patent. That time, got the help from Bhanudas sir, who gave us a guide how to get this patent of this project. And due to him, we got the design patent of the project. And he is continuing to guide me to how to get the project patent of my project. Working on this idea from like 3 years. It took me so long because everything I started from raw. I read many documentation about each of the modules and how I have to code it. And I didn't know coding languages, but after starting to make this project, I learned about coding languages. I used some help of AI also from where we can get documentation and all those stuff. So my motivation was my cousin brother. He is 80% blind from one eye and 100% blind from another eye, and I know what difficulties he faced. So in my journey, I started just as using by an ultrasonic sensor which would detect the object and beep. And when I was coding, I got various different ideas, and he was just my cousin also. So I know what problem he faces in his day-to-day life. And while in my coding journey, I got this many ideas and I started bringing them into reality. And today I have brought most of the things in reality. I'm still working on bringing various different things in reality. So this is the sensor which detects the object and sends it to Arduino Uno, which then later on send the signal to buzzer, and the buzzer will start to beep. This is the button which when triggered, trigger will send this trigger to Arduino Uno. This will send a command to the SIM 900A module, and this SIM 900A module will forward a call to one number or group of number, and will also send an SMS via this GSM module, live location of the person. For example, Google Maps longitude and latitude. And when this stick falls, for example, like this stick falls, this is the exclamation gyro sensor, which will interpret this fall in all four axes, X, Y, and Z axis, and send this signal to the Arduino Nano, and this Arduino Nano will send this to Arduino Uno, and this Arduino Uno will again send the buzzer a beep. And to make this a thing a very small and short, we are going to use Raspberry Pi, this much more capable than all these boards, because these are all microcontrollers and this is an entire microcomputer.
This Rehan is a wonderful child, and this age to invent something which is very useful for the people who have got disability in viewing the things or seeing the things. He has done it for the last 2 years. He was working on that, and he has made it. And this year he has achieved. He has observed or he has received a patent from the central government. So it is a wonderful achievement, I should say. I feel that he can do much better things in the future also, because he is on in that line. I wish him all the best.
See, I'm really very happy with my student Rehan. He has done a very good job, not for only school, not for only himself. It is for the society. And I'll tell you, this idea came in his mind when he saw his blind brother. He was difficulty to see all the things, and later he thought that I have to make one stick for him who will give easy way in his life. And he came to me that, teacher, I'm thinking about this type of the stick and what to do. So you know that Jahan Chah Mahara, and till class 8 he has come with a stick only with the sensor. When the object was in front, the sensor was start beeping, and blind person can make sure that they should not go front. But later we came with the idea as the navigation stick. With lot of things, it can give the image also to the family member if the blind person is in any problem. Only one button the person has to click, and the person will be contact with their family members. People think in this age, actually our kids in this age, they think that only they can play, they can go here and there. Which I'm really proud to my student that he thought only for society. Not only for society, I can say for country also. He got the patent from the government of India. On this age, if he can get, I'm sure that other students can also motivate by him. Even in my school, some students are trying to give the best to see him. And I can say that in this, our school management, our teachers, and his parents, they helped a lot to us. Wherever you want to, wherever we want to go, they allow us, and we are with our stick. And this is our idea.
Tasneem Khan, and I am Rehan's class teacher. I have been his teacher for the last 8 years, and I've been very observant. He's very keen about science and technology. And the thing that fascinates me about him is that he's able to comprehend what he thinks. I mean, just look at him. He is a 13-year-old student, and he has been able to bring about a positive change in the society at this young age. How many of us are able to do that? He was motivated, or he derived his motivation from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and he has come up with this brilliant idea, the e-vision stick, which will help the visually challenged citizens of the society. How in the world was he able to do that? If he can do at this age, we all can. I congratulate him, his parents. Of course, he has a strong support in the form of his teachers, his parents, and that's commendable. We call him a young genius in the making. All the students in the school look up to him. And to get a patent from the government of India at this age, that is a huge achievement. For me, I have to say that you shouldn't be surprised in the future if you see his name reflecting somewhere as one of the greatest scientists the world has ever witnessed. So, all the best to him. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.